Okay, so I'm going to go upstairs now. And as you know, the stairs are by the front door. Go up here and give you a tour of the upstairs. Carpet's in nice condition for an off-white carpet. Very good. All right, so top of the steps, you get a view of the double wide entry front door, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so go into one bedroom here. So good sized bedroom. Got 2-door closet. So yeah, so it's not a walk-in, but it's big. Okay, alrighty. All right, out of the bedroom, down the hall. I'm assuming this next is a bathroom, and I am assuming correctly. So you've got double sinks here in this bathroom. Looks like vinyl flooring, which it is. Yeah, so you've got vinyl flooring in good shape. And then a tub shower deal. Oops, I don't know how well you can see it, but nice clean white tile. And then this is really nice because it's got a linen closet right in the bathroom. Don't always see that. A lot of times here they're in the hallway. So, and a window. Okay. Alrighty. Down the hallway we're gonna go see this. Oh, what have I done?